Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience. Robocash is a platform I've been exploring, and I wanted to share some insights into what it's all about. Their website, located at robocash.com, is the central hub for all their services. When you visit the site, you'll immediately notice a clean and modern design, which I found quite user-friendly. Navigating through the various sections is straightforward, allowing you to quickly find information on investment opportunities, interest rates, and the company itself. One of the things that stood out to me was the amount of detail they provide about their operations, which I appreciate for transparency. They seem to emphasize accessibility and aim to make investing relatively simple, even for those who are new to the process. Robocash offers a range of investment options, catering to different risk appetites and investment goals. It appears they've put a lot of effort into developing a platform that's both informative and easy to use. I recommend checking out their website at robocash.com to explore their offerings and see if it aligns with your financial objectives. There's a wealth of information available, including details about their security measures and how they manage investments. Overall, my initial impression of Robocash is positive, and I encourage you to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing always carries some level of risk, and it's important to fully understand the terms and conditions before committing any funds. So head over to robocash.com to learn more and see if Robocash is the right fit for your investment strategy. They also have a helpful FAQ section that addresses common questions and concerns. This can be a valuable resource for getting a better understanding of their platform and how it works. Don't hesitate to delve into the information available on their website to make an informed decision.